Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are back with our lesson number 2, unit number 2, inside the earth. As in the earlier classes we have discussed about the different layers of the earth and its composition and their location. We have discussed about the tectonic plates, and today we have a new topic, volcanoes. You ever heard or saw in the movies or cartoons that there is a rock or the mountain that has ash cloud around it, and it explode at any time. It will explode some lava or magma or the molten rock from it that is very hot and dangerous. So today we are going to discuss or reveal about the volcanoes, where they are. Volcanoes occur in places where magma escapes from below the earth crust. These are present under the crust of the earth. The hot molten rock explode out due to the movement of the tectonic plates. The tectonic plates move in such manner that they erode or explode the hot molten lava. For example, above the mountain or the rock or under the rock, there is a magma chamber where the hot molten rock or magma is the hot molten rock. What is magma? Magma is hot molten rock that is in fluid form. So when it explodes, when two tectonic plates make some room, make some space or vent or opening to explode this material, the lava flows out. This is known as volcano. There are two main types of volcanoes, the composite volcano and number one. Number two is shield volcano. Composite volcano form in the result of movement of two tectonic plates when they pushing towards each other. How they push? For example, these are the two tectonic plates when they move, push each other. For example, two tectonic plates push towards each other. They exert the pressure on lava. So this is how the vent open or the lava comes out from the opening that is known as vent. The opening in the rock or mountain like this is known as vent. As we have ventilators in our rooms, that are the openings that allow light and air to enter through from it. This is how the rocks or mountain has the openings that allow the lava to comes out from the mountain or rock. So when two tectonic plates push towards each other, they exert the pressure and form some room or space or opening from where the lava explodes upward. While in the shield volcano, when they pushing towards each other, or it is when they pulling apart. So a shield volcano forms when two tectonic plates are pulling apart. So they form a room and opening some space from where the magma explode or from where the lava explode. So volcano are basically those rocks that has a specific opening from where the lava flows out or the magma flows out. Well, these are of two types. On the basis of the movement of the tectonic plate, when tectonic plates move or push towards each other, it's known as composite volcano. That is the most common type of volcanoes. While when the tectonic plates pulling apart, these are known as shield volcanoes. The lava comes out. This is also the common type. The minimum type or the lowest type of volcanoes is fissure vent volcanoes. The third one is the fissure vent volcanoes. So the fissure vent volcanoes is the third type. We may say this type of volcanoes has no main vent. but many small. Right. These are almost extinct that are not found in the active form only except Torzava. Torzava is the only fissure vent volcano that is active. The fissure vent volcano has many small openings. These are not like a cone shaped volcano like this among the rocks. But these are like on the surface of rock there are many small vent or opening, so the lava comes out time to time from these small openings, and definitely when it has many openings or many vents, so it do not has the extreme pressure as the composite and shield volcano has. So it has no main vent but many small vents from where magma can escape. Now, when we said that the types of volcanoes are found on the basis of the movement of tectonic plates, so these tectonic plates are present in the lithosphere as we have discussed in the last classes. So, the movement of these tectonic plates is important. The next topic is earthquake. What is earthquake actually? The earthquake happens when there is a sudden movement of the tectonic plates. What are tectonic plates? Tectonic plates are present under the crust as it is if it is crust, lithosphere, asthenosphere. See, so the tectonic plates are present under the crust in the lithosphere, and when they suddenly move, they cause the rumbling and shaking of the earth's crust, or it make a rumbling sound and cause the shaking of the earth crust. The shaking may be sideways or it may be up and down. This is what we call earthquake. The scientists measure earthquake by the help of an instrument that is known as seismometer. Seismometer or the Richter seismometer has a scale that is known as Richter scale. Richter scale has the intensity from zero point 0.1 to 1, and it reaches to the 9 or 10. The magnitude or the intensity of the earthquake may be measured by the different scales or the Richter scales. So the 2 is mild or felt by some people only. On your book page number 19, you have the chart that may show you the intensity of the earthquake. If it is 2 to 2.9, felt by some people only, and it is considered as minor. So you have different scales and a different condition. So I put just few in it. So if the intensity of an earthquake is 4 to 4.9, that means it is the mild type of the earthquake felt by many people, and it may result in the object fallen on the ground on the floor, while the 9 is intense, huge, intense. It may cause damage to roads and railways, while the maximum limit is 10 that do not occur until so far. So the earthquake or the intensity of earthquake, if earthquake is minor than 2.0 or 2.9, so no one can feel it, no one can sense it. Most of the time the tectonic plates are moving, but that not cause earthquake. The earthquake only cause when the sudden movement with a huge intensity. You may only feel the earthquake when there is an intense movement, intense sudden movement. So there are different intensities that cause you different type of earthquake. But 2 to 2.9 is minor, while 4 is milder one, while 9 is intense and disastrous that may cause damage to all the structures or infrastructures. The next one is tsunami. Basically, what is tsunami? Tsunami is the form of earthquake that occurs under the ocean. Tsunami is the term that is derived from the Japanese language. That means harbor wave. Harbor wave, that is a huge wave of the ocean. Tsunami is basically the earthquake that occurs under the oceanic crust. In the oceans or seas, when there is a sudden change in the movement of tectonic plate, it causes earthquake in the ocean, or it may be a volcano under the sea, seabed. ठीक? So it occurs, it caused the tsunami. The tsunami caused a great disaster. Why? Because when it happens, when an earthquake or volcano occurs under the water, so it disturbs the movement of the waves and cause huge waves that may overflow the city or the region. That is why it is disastrous. After tsunami occurs in Indian Ocean in 2010, I think. So the alarming tsunami alarming systems were placed all over around the oceans that may warn the people who are living in the coastal areas to protect them. So hope that you understand today's lecture, and you may find out the homework from the portal, and you have facts in your book, so you have to write them also in the homework, and hope that you will learn and study or read out the topic carefully. Student, I suggest you to read the chapter carefully. It has numerous facts, and write down them in your copy. Do complete your homework, keep reading, keep learning, keep studying. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.